The world's biggest camera is about to open its eye. This 3,200 megapixel Titan, housed at the Vera C. Rubin Observatory in Chile, is ready to show us its first ever images. A camera so powerful it can see a golf ball from 15 miles away. On June 23rd, it will reveal what it sees. And nothing in the sky will ever look the same. This camera is no ordinary machine. It will capture 1,000 images a night for the next 10 years, with a mission to map 20 billion galaxies. These are not estimates. These are commitments to the future of astronomy. As reported by digitalcameraworld.com, this moment marks a turning point for space observation. The journey began in 2019 at ESALAC in California, where the massive 5-meter lens was assembled, piece by piece, with precision, with vision. Now it's alive. Every frame it captures will hold more than light. It will hold time, motion, distance, memory. The camera will see beyond what the human eye ever could. Ultra-definition stills, motion in silence, details sharper than our own reflections. On June 23rd, at 11 a.m. Eastern Time, the First Look event will stream live. From the top of the Andes to screens around the world, hundreds of public watch parties will join the moment when the camera looks up and we look with it. This is the beginning of a new era in science, in space, in what we believe is out there. The camera will not blink. The sky will no longer keep its secrets. And we will watch.